Ever feel like your money disappears as soon as payday hits? You're not alone. But the good news? Financial freedom starts with just a few small habits. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 money habits every beginner needs to know. No jargon, no judgment, just real tips that work. Why are habits important? Because success with money doesn't come from big wins. It comes from small wins repeated daily. The right habits can help you save more, spend better, and stress less about money. Let's dive into the first habit. Track every dollar. Before you can improve your finances, you need to understand them. Use a simple app like Mint, YNAB, or even a spreadsheet. Every coffee, every subscription, it all counts. Awareness is the first step to control. Pay yourself first. As soon as your paycheck comes in, move a portion into savings or investments before paying bills or buying anything else. Treat your future like it's your most important expense, because it is. Budget weekly. A monthly budget sounds logical, but a week is easier to manage. You can adapt faster to changes, catch mistakes, and stay more engaged with your spending. Try a Sunday budget check-in to set the tone for your week. Spend intentionally. Don't let your money slip through cracks. Before spending, ask, does this support my goals? If not, pause. Building wealth isn't about never spending, it's about spending on what truly matters. Review and adjust. At the end of each month, reflect. Did your spending align with your goals? What can improve? Celebrate wins, even small ones, and make changes as needed. Growth is in the reflection. To recap, track every dollar, pay yourself first, budget weekly, spend with intention, review and adjust monthly. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. If you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below. Which of these habits will you start this week? Let's grow together.